If you're building your YouTube studio on a budget, one thing that will encrypt your audio into your setup. This tiny wireless microphone right here might just be what you're looking for. A compact wireless microphone for YouTubers, bloggers, streamers, solo content creators. One thing that's solid the audio without breaking the bank. Is it for you? Let's check it out. Out of the box, the Hollyland Lark M2 comes with a charging case, 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and a bunch of adapters depending on whether you're using with a phone or camera or laptop. Charging cord, which is gonna be included. And you're gonna be getting some windshields. These windshields are gonna be allowing you guys, in case it is windy, you're gonna be able to be protecting your voice, against fluffy effect into your voice. Put your microphone inside, put it on your t-shirt, on your forehead, or wherever you're placing the microphone. This is gonna be magnetic back clips you attach to the collar of your shirt, t-shirt, adjustable magnet necklace. And this charging case is lightweight design, it's super compact, fits easily into your bag. It's not bulky, just like the way I guys seen it in my hand. So that means I'm gonna be adding unnecessary bulk to your camera bag. And this carry bag is small, silky, nice. Your charging case is gonna be going inside there. Your windshields are gonna be going inside there. Zip it. And this is gonna be just for safety reasons. Because sometimes if you don't be careful, you might go to buy and forget your microphone. So you don't want to be in that kind of situation. That's what I like about this one. The setup is very straightforward. Open it, plug and play, download the application, put it into your mobile phone. It could be Android, iPhone. And then you're gonna put medium volume, high volume. Take out this receiver that you see in my hand here. Plug in that cable into the receiver and then plug it to your camera, and that's it. Go about placing your microphone wherever you want to place it. Let me put it back on my forehead, just like that. I put it here. That's the clip right here. I just clip on it, and then do that, and then there, my microphone is there, and voila. And this is how I'm gonna keep feeling myself the whole day. When you open up the charging case, you're gonna see 4 LED bar, shining right there, right? If you see 1 bar shining, that's gonna be charging at 25%. 2 bars gonna be 50%. 3 bars gonna be 75%. 4 bars gonna be 100%. Having a motivation of showing your audience what the background look like, or you want them to hear what's going on in the background, you're gonna have to turn the light on blue. Right now, noise cancellation is turned off, totally off. That means any ambient background right here, you're gonna be hearing all the ambient background into my videos. However, if I do want to go to by just turn it off, and just to go to by to isolate my voice, just press 1 time. That's it, right? Now it is off, it is turned off. So now I'm gonna be just hearing my voice. Background noise has been cut down a little bit, and this is kind of cool, right? If you're doing an interview, short films, and you just want the actors being heard without the background noise. So the microphone is basically just give you the flexibility to go by, including some noise, cutting out some noise. Do you like in the way it is with the noise cancellation turned off, or do you like it with the noise cancellation turned on? So you do please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let's talk about the pros and cons. It's a lightweight design, it is portable, reliable in the wireless range, great sound quality. It is compatible with various range devices. You need to get closer to avoid rubbing noise. There's no internal recording right here, and it is not 32-bit flow. So who is this for? If you are a beginner YouTuber, solo content creator, bloggers, wanting that solid audio into your content, the Hollyland Lark M2 nails the balance between portability, great sound quality. It is not the most advanced microphone, but at that price, under $120, probably the best bang for the buck. We just try to see, how long and how far, the transmitters and the receiver can keep up with each other without having interruptions. So that's why I'm working backward, and sometimes I'm gonna try like a turn back, like a turn like this, and then talk to you guys, just to try to find out if I turn my back to the camera, if they're gonna be some interruption, right? So, and at the end of the video, you're gonna be letting me know what do you think about this microphone, and this is how it usually works, right? So, as a solo content creator, we always want to go to buy walking far away from our camera, because nowadays nobody wants to go to buy standing just right there holding your video camera like that and vlogging. Everybody wants to go to buy going far away from their video cameras, having that freestyle movements, showing around your audience what you're doing to your videos. In that sense, you're gonna need a wireless microphone. Wireless microphone is gonna be doing a great job in that sense, right? So that's where the Hollyland Lark M2 comes in, right? At a $130 price and point, and smaller, tiny. It is not heavy. You can go about putting on your t-shirt. It's not gonna be pulling out your t-shirt, which is kind of cool, right? This is part of my budget YouTube studio service. Complete studio setup with affordable studio gear. If you found this helpful, give it a like, consider subscribing. Coming up next is gonna be my budget friendly camera gears, so you don't miss out. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next one to be coming out soon.